You'd like nothing more than to get a whole bunch of data off of all the equipment that you're responsible for. And sensor tracks can really help you do that because we can pull the data directly from, the PLCs, from sensors, from different nodes within the factory to really give you the information to see where the problems are happening. Significantly better than trying to do this stuff manually with spreadsheets or even pull data directly out of a PLC and reformat it and put it into reports. You don't want to have to work half of your day in Excel just to get some data to actually do your real job. So sensor tracks can really help you do that. Some of the great benefits of sensor tracks, though, and really having an automated data collection solution for an engineer is not only understanding where the problems are coming from and being able to do those Pareto charts and look at process data and set up, upper and lower control limits to do SPC on this information. But in addition to that, it's to have the data to go to management when you need to buy things to prove that you actually need them. We've all seen the situation where you'll go to management to ask for something and they'll walk around the plant and say, I don't understand. This machine doesn't run half the time. It seems like we have a lot of excess capacity. Why can't we just use that? And that's very hard to prove using manual time studies, Excel, and paper. But if you have near real-time data collection off of these machines and can really understand when they're running, when they're not, and why they're not running, that makes a very easy case to purchase new equipment, to do upgrades, to do automation, to really help you do your job on a daily basis. In addition to that, not only, mechanical, electrical engineer, but people designing lines, it works the same for process engineers. So you can really understand where the bottlenecks are in the process, see if there's upgrades that need to happen, use that data to justify the return on investment for those upgrades, and really see the return on investment for that over time, right? So you're going to make these improvements, you're going to install automation, robotics, whatever it is, and then you can monitor that to see that you actually get the gains that you think you should.